Is your Bluetooth connected with wireless device but has no sound on your iPhone but sounds coming from your iPhone speaker? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how you can solve Bluetooth connected to no sounds issue on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before going forward, double check that the volume is turned up on both your iPhone and your wireless devices. Solution 1, forget and reconnect the wireless device or AirPods. Go to the settings application, then select Bluetooth, turn it on. After that, select the connected Bluetooth device. Now press forget this device, then tap forget device to confirm. Wait for a few seconds. After that, reconnect your Bluetooth device again. Solution 2, reset the Bluetooth device and reconnect. If it is AirPod, then put them in the case. Press and hold the button on the case for 15 to 20 seconds. Then put the AirPods closer to the iPhone. Open up the lid of your AirPods. Wait for the connection pop up. Then tap to connect. Solution 3, restart your iPhone or toggle off automatic ear detection. Go to the setting application, then select Bluetooth, turn it on. After that, select the connected Bluetooth AirPods. Next, tap on the info eye icon next to the connected device. Now turn off automatic ear detection. Solution 5, reset network settings. Go to the settings app, then tap General, scroll down. Now select transfer or reset iPhone. After that, tap on the reset option, then hit the reset network settings. Now enter your iPhone lock screen passcode if prompted. Finally, click on reset network setting again. I hope this video helped you out to fix the Bluetooth connected but no sounds issue.